Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook ginisang talong with bacon, okay? So these are all soy sauce, oyster sauce, the eggplant, or the talong, the bacon, garlic, onions, spring onion. Okay, we're gonna saute the garlic. Smells good. And then the onion. Okay, so the garlic and the onion. And then we're gonna add the bacon. We're gonna cook the bacon first. Okay guys, the bacon is cooked, so we're gonna add the eggplant now. Okay, sauce. Okay, so we're gonna add oyster sauce also. First, simmer for how many minutes? I'm gonna get the cover. Okay, and we're right back. Guys, so that's our ginisang talong na may bacon. Ginisang talong with bacon. Okay? Is done. I'm gonna off the heat na. Kaya malata. Okay? So we're gonna garnish it. Okay? So that's our ginisang talong with bacon. Okay? I'm gonna taste it. Uy, super hot. Yummy. Guys, thank you for watching. Our ginisang talong with bacon is super yummy and it's done and it's a very simple dish. Okay, thank you for watching, and then please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Ja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.